Hello students, in our previous videos we have discussed about the units A Baker from Goa and Coorg of the lesson Glimpses of India. So in this video we will be knowing about the third unit, that is Tea from Assam, written by Arup Kumar Datta from the same lesson Glimpses of India. Arup Kumar Datta is an Indian writer and journalist from Guwahati, Assam. He has written 16 books for adults and 17 adventure novels for young children, who was born on 2nd July in the year 1946. He was educated in the University of Delhi and was awarded with Padma Shri. Lesson Tea from Assam is a story about two friends, Pranjal and Rajveer, who are traveling to Pranjal's hometown, Assam, for the summer vacation. Assam is known as the tea country. It has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. During their journey, they discuss about the various legends that are known to have discovered tea. The story tells us about the popularity of tea as a beverage. Now, with this introduction of the chapter, let us know its summary. The story revolves around the infamous beverage tea, telling us more about its history and discovery. It begins from the scene where two friends, Pranjal and Rajveer, are set to go to Assam, Pranjal's hometown, when a tea vendor asks them if they would like to have some freshly made tea. They buy 2 cups, joining almost every other person in their compartment. From there, the journey begins and Pranjal starts reading his detective book while Rajveer decides to enjoy the scenic beauty. There were soft green paddy fields followed by tea bushes. Rajveer is very excited on seeing such large plantations of tea, but Pranjal is unable to match the same level because he was born and brought up in Assam, famously known as the tea country. Visiting there for the first time, Rajveer did a lot of study about how tea was discovered and that it dates back to 2700 BC. According to what he read, it was first consumed in China and reached Europe in the 16th century, where it was mostly popular for its medicinal properties. There are numerous stories as to how it was discovered, one about a Chinese emperor and the other about a Buddhist monk. The former liked the taste of it, while the latter used it to get rid of sleep. As they were having this discussion, they reached their destination, where Pranjal's parents had come to receive them and take them to their tea garden. On their way, they passed a cattle bridge and gave way to a truck filled with tea leaves, which drew their attention to the fact that it was the second sprouting season. Rajveer indeed did a lot of study before coming, which impressed Pranjal's father, and he intended to learn a lot more. Now its explanation more clearly. The scene is set on a train station where a tea vendor asks the two friends if they would like to buy some freshly made hot tea. They decide to have 2 cups of tea, joining almost everyone else in their compartment. With this, Pranjal highlights the fact that almost 80 crore cups of tea are consumed every day throughout the world, while Rajveer remains surprised on listening to it. Indeed, tea is a popular beverage all over the world. As soon as the train started moving, Pranjal got engaged in reading his detective book. Both the friends were huge fans of detective books, but Rajveer chose to look at the scenic beauty at the moment. There was greenery all around, something Rajveer had never seen before. After the green paddy fields came tea plantations. As far as he was able to look, only tea bushes were visible, so much so that the narrator compared it to a sea of tea bushes. In the background, there were hills with dense forests. In between the tea plantations, there were orderly rows of tall and strong trees that were moving because of the wind. It was an amazing view. As the train was moving, Rajveer looked at an ugly building with smoke coming out of it. It was a tea garden. Rajveer got excited, but Pranjal, who had seen all of it during his childhood, didn't match up to his friend's level of enthusiasm. Pranjal tells him that they have entered Assam, which is known as the tea country. The state has the maximum number of tea plantations in the world. Before visiting the tea country, Rajveer read a lot about tea and how it was discovered. There were numerous theories, and one of which was about a Chinese emperor who had a habit of drinking boiled water. Once upon a time, when he was boiling that water, few leaves fell into it and it tasted delicious. It is said that those leaves were tea leaves. On being asked by Pranjal, Rajveer told another story about an Indian legend named Bodhidharma. He was a Buddhist monk who had cut his eyelids because he used to feel sleepy while meditating. Eventually, tea plants grew out of his eyelids, which, upon consuming after boiling with water, helped in getting rid of sleep. Further, Rajveer highlighted a few facts that stated that tea dates back to 2700 BC and was first consumed in China. All such words, such as chai and chini, have originated from Chinese language. Tea was introduced to Europe quite late in the 16th century, where it was considered to have medicinal properties. The train had stopped and the boys reached their destination, where they gathered their luggage and deboarded the train only to find a platform that was too crowded. Pranjal's parents had come to receive them. After almost an hour, they reached Dekia Bari, Pranjal's tea garden, after taking a turn and making their way through a cattle bridge. Their tea garden was stretched upon a vast area of land. All the bushes were cut to the same height and they had been taken care of. On the fields, tea pluckers were seen wearing an apron and carrying the bamboo baskets in order to pluck the freshly sprouted leaves. On their way to the fields, Pranjal's father gave way to a tractor that was loaded with tea leaves. On seeing this, Rajveer flaunts his knowledge by mentioning that this is the second sprouting period of the year that lasts from May to July and gives excellent yield. Pranjal's father, who seems impressed, replies that he seems to have done a lot of research before coming. Pranjal, who was excited about learning more about the amazing beverage, showed his intention for the same. With this explanation, we have come to the end of this chapter.